In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi setup of your Pantum M6559NW printer with the iPhone. Now the first step is to load the paper. We have to print the QR code of this printer. Paper output tray is here. Confirm that you have installed the paper, so that's easy, and select the correct paper size. Now click on the Wi-Fi button once. It will print a page. You will see there is a QR code on the page here. Now go to your iPhone and open the Pantum app. You can download this app from the App Store. That's here. In the app, you can click on the Add Printer or Replace the Printer. Select and click Add. Click Scan. Now we have to scan the QR code printed on the page. Make sure your smartphone is connected to your home or office Wi-Fi network. Then it will display the wireless network. Now just enter the password of your Wi-Fi. Click on the Done and Next. It will ask you to join. So click on the Join button. Click Join. Print is installed successfully. Click Done. And we are ready to use this printer for wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.